All right, friends, we're going to add a blog post to the Pro Attitude site. This is how you do it. First, you're going to log in by going to /wp-admin. It's going to take you to a login page. I'm already logged in, so it's just going to take me to the dashboard. But once you are logged in, this is what you will see. From here, we're going to click on Posts. And under the Posts side, we're going to hit this Add a New button at the top to add a new post. Once I'm here, we got to fill out some things. We're going to add the title of the post. I have that here. I'm going to copy and paste it in. It's going to be, if I can click on it here. Here we go. 7 simple habits that can fix 80% of your procrastination and time suck. Okay, so that is going to be the first part. And then we're going to go down here to this choose a block step, and we're actually going to just paste in the rest of the article. That's everything we've got. So I'm just going to select the whole article here. Control A, Control C, and paste. All right, I have to remove the extra copy of the title. And then what we need to do is we just need to go through and make sure that we have all of our H2s set up. So this is going to be an H1 here, which is our top header. And then I'm just going to come to this one, hit this little paragraph button, change it to a heading, and it should automatically choose itself as an H2. We're going to go through and do that for each of the header sections. All right, and heading, and heading, and heading, heading. And there you go. There's the headings for everything. I'm actually going to take this stuff down here. We don't actually need these in the article, but it's kind of flavorful and fun. So I'm just going to italicize it because we want to add that piece. All right. So we've got our article pretty much done and in the system. We're going to do a couple more things here on the right, utilizing the gear tab here. So we're going to click onto the post, and we're going to scroll down to featured image. This is where we want to upload our image for the post. And let me grab that here real quick on the side. I believe that this is the image. Got it now. So I'm going to click on featured image, and I would drag it and drop it in here, but it's already been uploaded. So I'm simply going to click on it and set the featured image. And that should be most of what we need to do. I do like to also change the categories. We don't necessarily want it to be called uncategorized. This is going to be about time management. We'll start a new category. There we go, time management, and there it is. And then we will go back up to the top. This is everything. If I hit this publish button, this post is officially out there and live. Now we've got 2 small problems. One is with the settings on the website, which we need to change. The other is with the rank math. So let's navigate away from this for a second. We're going to come right back to it. And I just want to show you what I need to change with the permalinks in the website. We want the post to have a post name. And it's actually already set up correctly, so we must have goofed it up in the post. But you can see here we want it to actually be the permalink is the name of the post. So let's go back to our post. We're just going to go to the post section. You can see here, here's the one I posted. I'm going to hit edit. And I'm going to do a couple more things. Here's the URL slug. And you can see that now it's updated the proper URL link, which we're going to need to edit in a second, but that's okay. We're going to change the author from me to Evan because Evan needs to be the author on everything here. And I'm going to click on this little red box here. This is rank math. So rank math is for SEO purposes, and we're going to create some SEO value in this. The way that we're going to do that is we're going to choose what our focus keyword is here. So we're going to say our focus keyword here is fix procrastination. And it's going to give us some recommended ideas. If you don't know what to set your focus keyword for, you can actually hit this little kind of up arrow and it will pop up this little up box, and you can test keywords. So fix procrastination versus time management versus time habits. I don't know. We're just kind of guessing at some ideas. It's going to use the World Wide Web to search which of those is the best word for us to use based off of popularity. We just got to wait for it to do its little search. Sometimes it does take a moment or two to pull this. It's going to Google Trends. It's pulling all the data. So it can take a moment. While we're waiting for that to go, we will be going through the article now once we have the word we decide to use, and we're going to actually update small pieces of the article to amplify our rank math score so that we know that we're actually, doing the SEO, doing the work. This is how I do SEO on all of my other sites, is through this methodology. All right, so here you go. You can see time management is a much better search term than the other ones. So we want to maybe make adjustments to the article to leverage that keyword. So we're going to go ahead and unselect those and use time management. So now we need to fix all of our basic SEO items. So focus keyword is not in the title. Well, that means we need to change our title a bit. And time management. All right. Boom, we got it in the title. All right, now our title is going to be too long, and we're going to have to edit that, but we'll get there in a second. So focus keyword not in your SEO meta description. So let's edit our snippet here, okay? And you can see this is what's going to actually go to Google when it gets searched. We've got way too much content here. Even our title is still 16 characters too long. So let's adjust our title, okay? And we'll go with 7 simple habits to... what was our title? Let's see. 7 simple habits. We're going to actually copy it. 7 simple habits that can fix your... Let's just go down to time management. All right, so see, we're now right in the green zone. We've got 49 characters here, which is exactly what we want. Our permalink's a little bit long, so we usually what we want to do is pull out non-words. So fix procrastination, and we're just going to go down to time management. Okay, it's a little long. We're just going to change this to procrastinate and get our one character back, right? So 7 simple habits, fix procrastinate, time management. Boom, no worries. That's fine. That's great. And then we need to write our description, which is the little blurbage that goes underneath the article on Google. So we can usually take the first little paragraph here and tweak it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it in. All right. So here are 7 simple habits to stop procrastination and fix your time management. That's going to be too long overall. We've got 8 characters too many. We'll just tune this up. You wake up every day and can't figure out how time goes by so quickly. And this is the game. This is literally SEO here. This is what we're doing. We're just kind of gamifying the situation. We're at 154 characters. We're in the red zone, because some of our letters are too long. You see, we're breaking it based off of the pixel break, right? So we need to actually shorten this up a bit more. Even though we've hit the character limit, our pixels are too long, which is crazy. So you wake up every day, and we're just going to do this, and the time goes by so quickly. Boom. Perfect. 840 pixel width. We're right in the zone. Okay. So we've got our meta. We've got our focus keyword. It's in the URL. It doesn't appear at the beginning of the content. So we need to add it to the first paragraph of the content. That's what that particular piece needs. So we're just going to come in here. You need a crash course in time management. Boom. Added it. Great. Our content is 602 words long. It's giving us a yellow check mark here because the probably the competing content for this focus keyword is longer. It probably wants us north of 1,000, maybe even 1,200 words for a word like time management. So just be aware of that. There's some additional things we can work on. Focus keywords not in any of the headings. So we would want to go through and add time management in here. So like maximize time management by using the 5-minute rule, which I don't know why all of this is like that, but there we go. So, and I will spell maximize correct. So see, now we've gone ahead and added it to a subheading. It wants us to have an image with a focus keyword as alt text. All right, so here's a good spot for an image. We've got this get enough sleep section. So I'm just going to quickly grab an image about sleep. Photos. Who looks well rested? Who looks well rested? All right, maybe maybe this one right here. Everybody loves the ladies. All right, so I'm going to come back in here, and I'm going to add in a little block, which if I hover in here, I can go ahead and get this little plus to come in. I'm going to add an image. I'm going to upload. And I'm just going to go to my downloads folder here. Actually, we're going to pick media library because then I can just drag it in because I'm lazy, which is good too. I'm not lazy, I'm effective. Effective with your time. Perfect. And then what we need to do is we just need to rip out this stuff over here, and we need to add the alt text of time management can start with a good night's rest. Boom. Simple. I'm going to just copy this and paste it down here to this other stuff so that it's all the same. All right. And now we've got this nice little picture in here. And we don't want the caption. So we're just going to disable that, which is up here somewhere. Where is it? There is a way. Ah! Okay, don't pay attention to this part. I'm just going to re-add that image, select, and I'm just going to delete out the caption there. It won't actually say add caption on the page. Perfect. So we've got that in there. It wants us to link to external sources. So if there's a link to another website with content about, planning your day the night before, I would definitely recommend adding that link in here. But that's pretty good. Maybe you could link back to something else as well in the website. So maybe like ready to take action. We're going to add this as a link, and we're going to say this goes to our contact page. Okay. I know that's kind of cheap, but we can do that. All right. And look, now our score is up to 76. Our SEO is ready to roll. This article is ready to go out. Let's hit update. and then we'll go ahead and click view post, check it out, and here you go. Here is our post. Excellent. Looking real good. All right. And I can go back to our blog panel, and look, there's our link to our post. It's all gravy, and you are good to go. That should be a pretty thorough breakdown of how to load up your blog. If you need anything else, let me know. But that's it. So